Welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing wonderful. I'm so excited because we still have 2 months for spring, and I hope you guys start setting your seed to get an early start for the spring. You know, it's important that you guys can plant herbs because there's herbs that could last right through the winter. There's herbs that can basically stand the cold. Because these herbs is about 3 years old since I plant these herbs, and they just keep growing and growing. All I got to do is take care of them. This is celery. This is celery right there. All these are celery. Go down there. Then we also have parsley. That's parsley right there. That's celery. And these are peppermint. These are peppermint right here. So these are herbs that I have in this little area. What happened is I now start realizing I have herbs growing up in the garden without even knowing there was herb. Like this one. These you call these chicken weeds. Okay? Some of them call it mouse ears. So you can do some research about chicken weeds. I'm going to show you some other weeds that's just growing up in the garden. You see, all these are chicken weeds. They grow, they spread. But these, as research state that these things can help heal burns, like your skin get burned, you have rash, many different things these can do. So do your research on the chicken weed, because these are healthy herbs that grows up in our garden and we knows nothing about them. And the thing about them, they spreads a lot. You see, they spreads a lot. If you allow them, they spread all over your garden, just like these mints. If you allow them, they take over your garden. So now what I did, all these is different herbs that I get from the garden, but what I did, I take them and I plant them in a bed by themselves. So instead of me have them growing wild over the garden, I can able to maintain them from here. So here we have another herb right here. All these are different herbs. All these. So it's wise to look into your garden, check out some of these herbs, and we can see the benefit of them. Your phone can tell you, depends on the phone you have, can tell you what kind of herb it is. All right, so these are collards coming up, pretty decent coming up, you know what I'm saying? Over there we have collard greens. You know, this is onions, and these are cabbage over there. So I have onion, cabbage, collard greens, broccoli. All these are garlics right here. These are garlics. Then we also have some, this is onion we have right here as well. This one is the red onion. The one I showed you a while ago is the white onion. These are garlic as well. I mean, they stand in the weather, but when the spring hit, you're gonna see them a lot better. All right. So this is broccoli growing up here. All these are broccoli. All these are broccoli. So yes guys, when there's weeds in your garden that needs to be in your garden. Sometimes we see them and we don't know the benefit. A lot of them add a lot of nutrients, a lot of minerals, a lot of different things to the soil. And we're just getting rid of them and we don't even understand how much we need these things. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let me take you guys down to my garlic bed down here. These are my herbs that I pick out the garden and just plant them, you know, so I can care for them. All these is pepper. I leave them because the weather was so nice, so I just put the leaves around them. Hopefully they might come back for the spring. Okay, these garlic, these are garlic I bought from the store, the supermarket. I mean, they're coming up really well. And this garlic is where I bought from Lowe's. What they say, the store-bought garlic sometimes don't grow as well as the garlic you get from the nursery or Lowe's, Home Depot, right? So what I'm doing an experiment on the garlic them that I purchased from the Lowe's and those I get from the supermarket. So these are from the supermarket and these are from Lowe's. Okay, we can have a next bed over here. Right. So basically, I'm gonna see which one does best. So yes, my garlic is growing pretty well, and we, you know, garlic take a long time. I wouldn't even to harvest these garbage until maybe next August at least. This August. And these are raspberry. I never knew I had raspberry here until last year. I saw them bear a few. So this year I'm, you know, taking care of them. I have strawberry. These are my apple tree right here. This is an apple tree. And this is a banana tree. Right now, as you can see, the weather is on. So let's see. All right, guys. Look what I have going on here now, right? This is where I make my compost. Okay? So what I'm doing, I already start barricading the area. I ain't finished as yet. But all the leaves I get from all this area here, I brought them and I threw them in this area. So I'm gonna leave them right here and allow them to become compost that I can throw in my garden. So this is how I make my compost. I pile them up, leave them here and allow them to break down for themselves, and they become really good compost for me. So if you have access to these things, guys, you basically have all you need to feed your plant with. You know what I'm saying? Especially you trying to do an organic garden. All right, so basically I'm getting the garden ready for the spring. So I'm just waiting, you know. These are okra seed, watch. These are okra. And I'm gonna take the seed from this okra. You see, I have okra seeds. Look how much seeds I get from one okra. All right, so I still have more to harvest, but I'm gonna wait until I have a bottle that I can put them into. So yes guys, use that space in your garden and get that garden going. You know what I'm saying? Plant your fruit trees, plant your vegetables. This is my peach tree right here. So it's getting ready to go. All right. So yes guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, I hope this video motivate you guys to want to do your garden. You could do container garden, you can do raised bed garden, you can do in-ground garden. Whatever you decide, just get that garden going. All right, so guys, if you enjoy this video, subscribe to the channel if you never subscribed before. If you are new viewers, thank you for being here. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. You know, a lot of videos coming. All right, so peace and love. Have a blessed and wonderful day.